Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you like how to do water reflection effect in just one tap. You just need to add show one square and then just create a project. Now go to the media and then just choose the pic you want. I chose this one. I just generated from AI. You can also generate from AI. There's so many apps and sites, so you can easily generate it. Now just tap on the clip. Now go to the effect. Now just tap on the add effect and now search water reflection. There's you can see. Now just tap on it and settings like only progress one. Now just tap on the progress and then just add the little bit of keyframes. Now just little bit of progress. This is just a minimum setting, you need to do it like this. See, looks good. Now just export it on video 1080p. Just save it. Now see, if you want to watch this type of tutorial, then do subscribe, like and share and comment, and thank you for watching.